Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to delete comments on Facebook using your PC. If you've encountered a comment that you wish to remove, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find the comment that you want to delete. It could be on your own post or someone else's post. Scroll through the comments until you locate the one you wish to remove. Step 2. Once you've found the comment, click on the More option located next to it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select the Delete option. Confirm the deletion if prompted. The comment will be permanently removed from the post. Deleting comments on Facebook is a simple process that allows you to maintain control over the content on your profile or posts. Keep in mind that once a comment is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video.